Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to activate the Google Chrome acceleration feature for Android phones, a hidden feature to speed up the browser and speed up browsing in Google. You will notice a big difference after activating this feature before broadcasting in the explanation. Thank you to everyone who supports me. Thank you to everyone who subscribed to the channel. Thank you to everyone who watches the video. Let's start the explanation. The first step we do is go to the Google browser. After that, we write this shortcut in the Google search engine, or you can go to the first comment. You will find this shortcut installed there. Copy it and paste it here, meaning you copy and paste it. Or you can write this on a shortcut manually according to your desire. After that, we click OK and click. This interface will pop up for us. Now we click on this arrow, and this is the first option, then we choose the second option. After choosing the second option, this blue icon will appear at the bottom. When you click on it, the Google browser will restart. We click on it and, as you can see, the browser will restart. Now after using this method and implementing it, you will notice a big difference in the speed of the Google browser. So don't forget to support me, and thank you to everyone who supports me, and see you later.